Welcome everyone. Today I have a problem of Wheatstone bridge in which you have to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. Let's check the resistance are 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm and 4 ohm. Okay, but in this Wheatstone bridge the null condition P by Q is equal to R by S not satisfied. That means P by Q not is equal to R by S. So how to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B? Before going through the problem, you must know how to convert a pi network to a T network. Okay. Now I am drawing a pi network. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, RA, RB and this is RC. So this is point 2, this is 2 dash, this is 1 dash. So here RA in between 2 dash and 1, 2 dash and 1, this is 8 ohm. RB in between 2 and 2 dash, in between 2 and 2 dash, RB is equal to 6 ohm, and the resistance RC in between 2 and 1, that is equal to 4 ohm. To convert this into a T network, so this is R1, this is R3 and this is R2. If we put T network into this figure, this look like this is R1, this is R2 and this is R3. How to calculate R1, R2 and R3? So we have formula for R1. R1 is equal to RB RC by RA plus RB plus RC. R2 equal to RC RA by RA plus RB plus RC, and R3 equal to RA RB by RA plus RB plus RC. So by applying this formula, here RB is equal to 6 ohm and RC is equal to 4 ohm by RA 8, RB 6 and RC is 4. So the result becomes 16 by 9 ohm. R2 equal to RC RA. RC is equal to 4 ohm and RA is equal to 8 ohm by 8 plus 6 plus 4. This becomes 24 by 9, and RA RB. RA is equal to 8 ohm, RB 6 ohm, 8 plus 6 plus 4. This becomes 12 by 9 ohm. So in between 2 and here 1 and 1 dash are same point. So this circuit may be drawn like this. This is our R2, 1 dash, R2, and after R2, R1 connected in series to 2.2. So this is R1, and after R2, R3 is connected between R2 and 2 dash. This is 2 dash point, this is R3. So it is 8 ohm and it is 4 ohm. So here R2 is equal to 24 by 9, R1 is equal to 16 by 9 and R3 is equal to 12 by 9. Here we can see that R1 and 8 ohm are in series. R1 and 8 ohm are in series. R3 and 4 ohm are in series, and these two resistance are in parallel, and R2 is in series. So you can easily calculate the equivalent resistance between point A and point B. Thank you everyone.